Hello friends, today we are going to talk about MI Band 2 and HRX version replacement of the silicon band. Right now this is the original band which we ordered from the Amazon few months back, and right now you can see its condition. It's got loose now, so I'm facing problem like it can easily come out or like that. So issue is that it's not working properly now. Actually the outside band is good, but you can see that the case is very loose now. So I just thought that I should replace it. So today we are going to tell you how to change your MI Band 2 and HRX version Band 2. This is the original one, and this is the one which we ordered, and we just show you how it looks. And let's see how it looks. We just put it in this area, and this is the one which we ordered. And well, I already opened it previously, so I just like to tell you that the company name which is I ordered is MI Jobs. It's mentioned here if you can see it. And now the impressive thing is that I received this band less than 100 rupees. And if we talk about the quality of this band is, it's very good at the price of less than 100 rupees. Quality is very good, very good. It's not like same as this band, but very good. You will not disappointed by this band which I ordered. I like to tell you that I ordered it from the AliExpress, and we will give you the link of this product in the description bar, so you can buy it if you want to buy it. And let's talk about the quality. You can get this product in the lots of color there, and I will give you the link of this item in the description bar, so you can see it. Lots of colors are there. Main thing is that quality of the band is very good. I was not expected that I will got such a good quality. So if you talk about quality is very good of the band. And now see how it fits. So let's see how it works. This is the look, you can see it. And if you talk about quality, very good. You can see this red color rim also there. It's also look good, and it fits very good. It's right now it's better than the original one. So I will just show you and how it's fitting and everything. So this is the band, and you can see it's very fit. And actually I already used it this band for few days to know that is there any problem with the skin or like that from this band, but so far I don't have any problem with my skin. So I can say it's friendly with the skin. The belt material is friendly with the skin. So if you also want to replace your MI2 and HRX version silicon band, then you can go for this band. Quality wise is, I think, best one. You will not disappointed at all. And the main thing is that you will just receive it in less than 100 rupees at your home. And one thing more which I received with this band is the screen guard of the HRX version and MI Band 2 version, so it's also received it with it. You can say it free or inclusive the cost. You will got 2 screen guards with this. And so, well, I didn't open it still, but quality wise it's good. I mean, less than 100 rupees you are getting the MI Band, a replacement band with 2 screen guards. So for me it's best deal. If you also want to replace your band, I mean, I seen the few replacement band also in my friends band, but their quality is not good, and they were ordered it through the India Amazon or like eBay or like that, and they costly is, they, even though they are costly, like around 200 and 300 something like that, and their quality is not also good. So I just found this one after a little bit research on the internet, and I found that the quality of this band is very good. And the other thing is that I just received this band from AliExpress in like around 20 to 22 days. So if you are not very hurry in the new band, so you can order it from AliExpress and you will get all this item, this and this band, in just less than 100 rupees. I'm not telling you the exact amount of my order, because you know the order is placed in the dollar currency, so slightly it will be vary. Prices are vary of the dollar, so maybe changes, you know, for when you will be order. So that's it. Hope you will like this video. Just subscribe our channel and press the like button if you like it, and just comment if you want to know anything else about this product, and about the link of this product I will give you in the description bar. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.